Yep, that's a new seat. Where's it going, you ask? In the Evo. Why? Let's talk about that. What's up, crew? Welcome to another video. My name is John Connie, aka Big Man Syndrome, and let's open a box.
Okay.
Now, why on earth would I want to put a different set of seats in that car and take out those pristine Recaros? Well, that's exactly why. Because they are in incredible condition. And I'm a big motherfucker. And I've already noticed some degradation from me sitting in it. And although I bought it thinking I wasn't going to drive it that much, I actually drive it way more often than I had planned to.
No shit, Sherlock.
And I work out, and I sweat a lot. I'm a big guy. So every time I post-workout sit down, my sweaty butt, I cringe a little bit. Let's go this way. What the f***? It's got little pockets? Fresh. But of course, we can drive my truck or Le Wife's Tesla, but what's the fun in that? Like, I got this car because I love Evos and I want to be able to drive it a lot more. I'm definitely driving it a lot more than I had expected. Like, I really thought I was going to garage that way more than I should have known myself better. So I figured grab a bucket seat, install it in the Evo, and store the Recaros until need be. Might not be the most amazing option when I take it to like a car meet. I have to explain it every single time, basically, why I have an NRG seat mismatched with a Recaro, but we can deal. We'll cross that bridge when we get there. Now let's talk about the seat. It's the extra large, I think. Hopefully it's super universal. Oh, it's a little snug. That's not bad though. I am really large. Actually, is this an extra large? Well, hopefully it's the right size. Prisma from NRG, and it was one of the cheaper options that I could find. I didn't want to spend too much money right now because really this is a temporary fix while I enjoy the Evo and take it to stuff like workouts and attempt to not destroy what is in great condition in that interior. And then in the future, I'll end up probably just using this for the E36 once it's running, which who knows when that'll ever be. All right, so I just realized something while I'm editing this video, and it's that I keep forgetting to re-mention that there's a giveaway on the channel. This is our first giveaway of many, and it's kind of small, maybe a little bit exciting for those of you who don't have a stocked up garage yet and you're trying to get it started. But we're doing a set of wrenches that are going to be shipped from Harbor Freight. So once we pick a winner, we'll set up an order and it'll go straight to you. And the goal there is 1,000 subscribers. I think we're just over 340 right now, which has trickled up since the announcement of that giveaway. So that's really what we're aiming for. There were some other qualifications there. If you got a Prjct.Garage sticker from us at FD Irwindale, you would stick that somewhere, get a picture of it, post it on Instagram or TikTok, and tag us at Prjct.Garage, and that would be an entry, as well as leaving a comment down in the giveaway video. So those are ways to enter, and we have a bunch of stickers. If you want one of these stickers, hit me up down in the comments with your Instagram handle, and I'll send you a DM, and we'll figure out how we get it to you. Other than that, though, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Back to the video. And then at that point, I'll grab matching bucket seats for the Evo and preserve both Recaro seats that I have. I don't really have any plans on selling this, but as much as I possibly can, I want to preserve what I have left of that Evo and then fix some of the things that were damaged or done incorrectly, like the over fenders, in order to bring it back to sort of a former glory. So, initial impressions about of this guy. I will say that I sat in it already and I'm not sure it's big enough for me. It hugs me very aggressively, and these sit much lower than my shoulders, which I'm pretty sure they're supposed to be at your shoulders. I'm guessing this this entire gap right here probably should clear your shoulders at some point. I'm not sure it does that, so it might not be the safest option. I also need to just go back and make sure that I did in fact buy an XL and not something smaller, because I'm obviously an XL person. Other than that, it looks really nice and will be a great option once I'm ready to put it in the E36, since I'll only need one. So that's about it for this one. I just want to do something a little bit different than the typical unboxing that I've been doing on the channel, especially for something like this where it's, once you've opened the box, it's basically one thing comes out. It's not very exciting, but I'm going to try to follow this format for everything in the future that has to do with something new that I'm going to grab. I'm going to at least do 3 episodes. So this is episode 1 of Project Bucket Seat. Super creative. And then episode 2 will probably be the installation, and that will possibly be a vlog style, somebody following around, or maybe just a time lapse of everything that happens from a specific angle and not change it. And then the last episode will be a review from the big man perspective, because let's face it, nothing is made for the big man. I'll let you know out there if this is an option for somebody around 6 to 6'4", 250 plus pounds. So thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and if you're new, join the crew. There's plenty of content to come from the E36, the Evo, the Tundra, and some other stuff that I'm cooking up, which I'm super excited about. And if you're not new, you know exactly what to do. Like, comment, share this video. Those are the ways we grow the crew. And until next time, I'll see you later, crew. Oh, and go spend some money on that money pit.
Back and I'm better than ever. Whoa. I think I got a vendetta. Oh, now they call me, I seen them. Yeah. All of those times getting severed. I told them all I can let up. They get not tired of me never. Whoa.